This is the story of Kumar. Kumar is 28 years old and has a good job in an MNC. Like the rest of us, he works hard, earns well, and makes sure that he enjoys life from the money he makes. Despite this, Kumar sometimes wonders that although he works really hard for his money, is his money working equally hard for him? And it so happens that this is a question that a vast majority of young Indians are asking themselves. How do we make our money work hard for us? Let's try and find an answer to that question. Research shows that a typical Indian spends close to 60% of his income on household expenses and saves or invests the remaining 40%. Now, let's go back to Kumar and take a closer look at his cash flow. His lifestyle doesn't require him to spend a lot on his household. After all, he's young and hasn't started a family yet. This means no school fees to be paid, no annual family vacations, and not a lot of medical costs to be taken care of. Which means, if Kumar is as smart as his parents want him to be, he can save and invest a lot more than what an average Indian does. So, here is a question for Kumar, as is for the rest of us. If we are young, earning well, and have no immediate liabilities to take care of, does it make sense to start investing smartly? Maybe that's the answer to the question, how do we make our money work hard for us?